You guys hear that weird bird? What the hell are you doing, dog? You know there's a screen there?
She didn't know it was there.
She ran right into it. Hey, Downer. Here's my sky, bruh. You said you wanted to see my sky. Well, here it is at 5:45 a.m. Monday morning. It's actually very nice and peaceful out here right now. I already did my morning wake and bake, although it's not really a wake and bake, it's just a bake. I've been up all night, which is basically how I always am. There's a weird looking cloud formation there. I don't even know what to think of that. I don't really even want to say, oh, it's chemtrails, because I'm not so sure. If I'm not sure, I won't say anything. Although it obviously is. Some of it obviously is like that right there. I know that shit came out of an airplane. I'm just gonna shut up and let you guys listen to the birdies. This phone has an amazing camera. I am blown away by it. Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm still learning how to use everything. If anyone has this phone and knows any cool tricks that I may or may not have found on my own yet, let me know in the comments section. Wow, I can't believe I can zoom in that far. Times 10 zoom. It's pretty awesome for a cell phone.